if you wish to increase the rhythm of your shooting, you need to control the center of it. The power of the forward punch is based on rotating backwards of the right shoulder. Not just the right shoulder, but also the shoulder blade. And this operation is done by contracting the right side part of the back muscles. The central part of it, which I call it aiming muscle, is the physical center of the shooting. Rolling in and out the right shoulder, you can swing very fast your arm in front and back. In front for loading and backwards when you draw and release. If you align with the center of the target, the aiming muscle with your left fist, you will be not just fast but also accurate. Just please don't forget, between your fist and your back, it's the heart, and this is the real center.